Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about how a stock trading terminal works step by step. A stock trading terminal is a digital platform that connects traders with the stock market in real time. First, the user opens the trading terminal, logs in securely, and views live market prices, charts, stock watch lists, and market updates on the screen. After that, the trader analyzes different stocks using candlestick charts, price movements, technical indicators, market news, and order book data. This helps the trader understand whether a stock may move up, move down, or stay stable. Next, the trader selects a stock from the watch list. For example, a company's share symbol is chosen, and the terminal shows its current price, percentage change, chart pattern, and available buy and sell prices. Then, the trader decides whether to buy or sell. At this stage, the user enters the quantity, price, and order type. A market order is used when the trader wants quick execution at the current market price, while a limit order is used when the trader wants to buy or sell only at a specific price. Once the order is placed, the trading terminal sends it electronically to the broker's system. The broker then processes the request and forwards the order to the stock exchange. Afterwards, the stock exchange matching system compares buy orders and sell orders. When the system finds a matching buyer and seller at the same price, the trade is executed automatically. As soon as the trade is completed, the terminal shows an order confirmation. It updates the filled price, quantity, trade status, and the stock position in the portfolio. Finally, the trader can monitor portfolio performance, profit or loss, account balance, open positions, stop-loss levels, alerts, and market news from the same terminal. In this way, a stock trading terminal helps traders analyze the market, place orders, manage risk, and track investments in one place. Remember, disciplined analysis, proper risk management, and a clear trading strategy are very important before making any trading decision. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.